Hey guys, welcome back to Semper Mechanic. My name's Thomas, and today we got another diesel delivery. Right now we're driving over 4 hours from Columbus, Ohio, down past Lexington, Kentucky, to deliver 160 gallons. We got to fill up a 100-gallon tank and then 3 welding machines. After that, we got to drive another 2 hours down farther into Kentucky and deliver another 150 gallons. That second job's a iffy, not 100% on that, but this first job, we're already on the road, we're driving. This is about $500 profit. Might have to stay down here all night. The wife will have to hold down the fort. So if you want to see this journey, stay tuned, because we're starting right now. As you can see here, I'm showing you the screen. We got 2 hours and 45 minutes. It's 180 miles. We've already been driving for 45 minutes. What happens when you're on call? Semper Mobile Mechanic is always open. Oh, here we are. Welcome to Kentucky. Dealing with this traffic for the last, 45 minutes. But it's all right. Still making money. They call and they got a job. You don't want to say no. You need to accept them jobs, because if you pass one up, next time they might not call you. So I make sure I accept every single gas job that they give, even though it was the middle of the day and I got to drive 4 hours, possibly 6 to the other job and stay all night. Drop a hat like this, you do it. And that's how you build a reputation. All right, here we are. We're out in Kentucky. We stopped here at a Pilot. We got to fill up our tank, and then we're about 20 minutes from our destination. Remember, this was over a 3-hour drive, so right there, diesel is $3.85, so that's good for us. Here on the screen, we are 5 minutes away. It is 5:50 p.m., so it sure did take us 3 hours to get here. Actually, this is it. I think it's an Army base. Guess what, guys? Your boy is a Marine, so we're gonna be good to go. Sir, I'm here to fill up international tank. I'm also a retired Marine. Thank you. Well, see, I knew that retired Marine ID would come in handy. Oh, here we are. Let's go up there and figure this shit out. Well, guys, we ran a little problem there. Seen how I was on base? I wasn't allowed to record. I tried to, and they said I wasn't allowed to record on base. Even though I'm a fucking retired Marine, it's some little shitty Army base, but I get it, whatever. We got this second job. It's 2 hours away, but we can't do that till morning. We have the option of driving 4 hours back to Columbus, Ohio, or staying here in Lexington, Kentucky. Well, we chose to stay here, and the boss was nice enough to put me up in a hotel. So we're headed there now, so I get a free night of no kids, no wife, just me, myself, and I hanging out. So let's go get checked in. I'll show you guys the room. All right, this is where the directions took us. So we're at a Hampton Inn by Hilton. Well, this is a lot better place than I was gonna stay. I was gonna get myself a little $20 stay by the hour. I can sleep 4 or 5 hours, be done. It says I got a digital key. I don't even need to check in. You know, this place is slick Rick. Pool open 7 to 11, bro. There's the fitness center right here. All right, let's try this again here. Let's see. Touch to unlock. Oh, shit. Well, that was pretty nifty. Oh, shit, I can dig it. I can dig it nicely. Nice. Look, I'm walking around like this. Check it out. Is this the back? Oh, what a view. We're gonna get settled in here, get some food, get some sleep. We'll be back in the morning, headed to our job, so you guys get some rest as well. All right, gents, just woke up. Fucking slept like shit. Thought that was gonna be a great night. Fucking horrible. I guess I need to be stuck on a small little couch with my daughter kicking me in the face. That's how I usually sleep. All right, gotta go check out, and we still got a 2-hour drive down to that second job. Well, we're still driving. We're about a half hour away, but we are deep down in the boonies, man. Been driving downhill for, 2 hours, straight downhill. All right, here we go. Well, I guess we're good to go then. Shit, a house out of nowhere. That's fucking be awesome to live up here. I mean, this is, talking about off the beaten track. Look at this. What in the world? This is crazy. There's a complete drop-off. What in the...
Continue straight onto Sunrise Ridge. Then you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived.
We have arrived. Now tell me this shit isn't fucking weird as fuck. We got no trespassing. Look at this. Look at all these locks. All right. I mean, this ain't some sketchy shit, right? Oh man, what have I got myself into? Oh God. Well, this cannot be right. I mean, oh God. What in the world? Hell no. I ain't going up there. You're fucking crazy or no, bro? Yeah, I don't feel safe at all. At all. Oh. Okay, I better slow it down here before I fucking spill over diesel fuel out. There she is. Is that it? My lord. I did all this for this? Bro, look where we're at. I am 7 hours away from my house in the middle of nowhere. Okay, here we go. I can't show you guys this. So we got this open. The code did work. Thank the Lord. So I guess we fill it up here. It's another code, but I bet it's the same one. Here we go. All right, we got our hose out. Shit, I'm out of breath doing this fucking workout. Now we gotta take your cables here. There we go. Let's hit the power button. All right, everything's good so far. And we got some diesel coming out. There we go. For this job right here, I charged a $300 delivery fee. Every gallon that was delivered, I made 50 cents off. For delivering 100 gallons, that's another $50. All right. We are out of fuel. You can hear it makes a different noise. When your pump starts grinding like that, it means it's no more fuel. Let's go ahead and get this off here. So all together, we'll have to do one more trip out here and then we'll be done. So the gas tank right there will deliver 150 gallons. Almost full right now. So we need to pack up, run back out to that fuel station that was right outside, do one more trip, then we'll come in here, we'll top it off, and then we're heading home. Thank you guys for coming along with me and staying the night. Hell of an adventure, wasn't it? But like I said, you make $400 or $500 profit, and I got to stay away from the wife and kids for a night. Shit, I would have paid $400 or $500 for that. If you guys like this kind of video though, it's a little different than our mobile mechanic work days. But listen, still a mobile mechanic, fuel delivery is just one of the services we provide. So if you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Our goal is to hit 15,000 by June. So please subscribe, it's completely free. If you do want to support the channel, I'll have my Cash App and PayPal right here on the screen. All donations go back into the camera equipment, goes back into getting more diesel tanks, just goes right back into the business. That's only if you guys can afford it and you want to. If not, we love you either way. And like we always say, Semper Fi, till next time.